I created a great product comparison affiliate marketing campaign on YouTube that made me $24,000 in 30 days. Here's a detailed account of my day-by-day strategy. Day 1. Planning and research. I chose popular tech gadgets for my comparison videos. Smartphones, laptops, and smartwatches were on my list. Affiliate program research. I looked into affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, Best Buy, and the official affiliate programs of major tech brands. Day 2. Applying for affiliate programs, application submission. I applied to Amazon Associates, Best Buy affiliate program, and a few other tech brand-specific programs. I started researching keywords using tools like vidIQ and Google Keyword Planner to optimize my upcoming videos. Day 3. Affiliate program approval and content strategy. I got confirmation emails from Amazon Associates and 2 tech brands. Then I outlined my first comparison video, iPhone 13 versus Samsung Galaxy S21. Day 4-5. Video production. I wrote detailed scripts for my videos, focusing on key features, pros, and cons. Then I filmed the comparison videos. Day 6-7. Video editing and optimization. I edited my videos, ensuring high-quality visuals and sound. I use vidIQ for SEO. vidIQ is the best YouTube SEO tool. It helps a lot for title, tag, and description keywords and means the difference between videos getting 100 views to videos getting 1,000,000 views. Click my vidIQ affiliate link in the description below. Day 8. I uploaded my first comparison video with affiliate links in the description. Then I shared the video on my social media channels. From day 9-20, I produced and uploaded a new comparison video every 2-3 days. And I actively engaged with comments and feedback on each video. Day 21-30 I began performance tracking. I used YouTube Analytics and affiliate dashboards to track the performance. Based on analytics, I made slight changes to my video content and promotion strategies. Here's my results and earnings breakdown. Across all videos, I garnered around 300,000 views over 30 days. Averaged about a 4% click-through rate, leading to 12,000 clicks. An average of 2.5% conversion rate, resulting in 300 sales. Around $80, considering different products and commission structures. My totals. 300 sales x $80 commission got me total earnings of $24,000. Here's the specifics. I used top-performing products. The iPhone 13, Samsung Galaxy S21, and high-end laptops. I got the best affiliate platforms. Amazon Associates and Best Buy affiliate program were the most profitable. I have a great SEO strategy. Using vidIQ, I continually optimized my videos for high-ranking tech-related keywords. vidIQ is the best YouTube SEO tool. The video SEO optimization tool helps a lot in title, tag, and description enhancements, and for me meant the difference between making videos that got a few hundred views to making videos that got over 1,000,000 views. Click my vidIQ affiliate link in the description below. I meticulously planned and executed this strategy, focusing on creating high-quality, SEO-optimized comparison videos of popular tech products. I diligently applied to and managed multiple affiliate programs, ensuring a diverse range of products to feature. The continuous process of creating, uploading, promoting, and optimizing my videos over 30 days was intensive but rewarding. By tracking my performance and adjusting my strategy accordingly, I was able to achieve a substantial earning of $24,000 in just a month. This journey taught me the importance of strategic planning, quality content, SEO optimization, and active engagement in maximizing affiliate marketing success on YouTube.